Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this beautiful 9-inch round druzy platter. So let's jump in and get started. I went ahead and mixed up my resin off camera. I'm going to be using the Liquid Diamonds resin, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. I love using the Liquid Diamonds for projects like this because it's such a thin viscosity and it's really bubbleless, so it's great for anything in molds except for coasters. It's a little bit too thin for coasters. I do have a discount code if you guys want to get some to try. I'll link it down below in the description box. So to tint my liquid diamonds, I'm going to be using the Midnight Black Epoxy Paste by Laura, and I'm just taking a little bit and I'm stirring it up here and scraping off the excess on my stick, and that's all I'm using. Just a tiny bit is all you need. If you're looking for an opaque black paste or pigment, definitely try the Midnight Black by Laura. It's perfect and it's really nice and opaque. I wanted this to be more transparent, so I only added a tiny bit. And you can get it from Laura's Art Corner. I'll link it down below in the description box, or if you're international, you can get it straight from Laura's website. So as you could see, what I did was just I placed my druzy insert in my 9-inch round here, went ahead and pushed it down so it was nice and secured in the 9-inch round mold. And this is a little pendant mold that I'm filling up as well. I got these molds from Julie Art on Etsy. I'll link them down below. The 9-inch round was actually from a different seller, but you can get one on Amazon, so I'll link it down below as well. And then I just, poured the black around the druzy insert. And somehow I had some glitter popping up, so that's what you're seeing, all those little black dots on my wax paper. I was just taking my gloved hand, sticking it on the piece of glitter, and then wiping it on my wax paper. I don't know why there was so much glitter. Maybe I forgot to clean the mold from the last time I used it. I was really confused about that. I was like, where is all this glitter coming from? Because I wasn't using any glitter, but it comes off easy if you just take your finger, touch it, and then wipe it on the wax paper. And then I went in with the rest of my liquid diamonds, just clear, and that was it. Covered it up, let it dry for 24 hours, and here we are 24 hours later. These pendants are so pretty. They really sparkle with a darker tinted resin. I was thinking a blue would be really pretty too. And what you can do is either drill a hole through these or attach a flat back bail. On these, I actually drilled a hole through them and attached the hardware for earrings. So here's the 9-inch round. What I'm going to do is just demold it. And I did have a little bit of resin seep through on the bottom side. You'll probably have that happen too. No worries. What you can do is just take some nippers and kind of just pull that off, and then the druzy insert comes out no problem. Super sparkly and pretty. I actually was really excited to demold this, so I demolded it a little bit early. It was a little bit bendy still. So what I'm going to do is just set it down on my table, let it harden up for 12 more hours or so, and I'll show you what it looks like in some natural sunlight. It's so pretty and sparkly. I just absolutely love the druzy. And here it is. What do you guys think? You can see behind the platter here, it's kind of casting a bunch of rainbows. It's just so gorgeous. What you could do with this is flip it upside down and use it as like a display piece. You could put candles on it just for decoration, or I'm actually going to use it as a sun catcher. I drilled a hole through the top and I have it hanging outside right now. It's a really pretty sun catcher. It just catches the light so beautifully. I also have a little stand. I'll insert a clip here and show you how you could do it as or display it as well, just like on a tabletop as like a decoration. It's just really pretty under light. It just really sparkles. You can see it's got those facets in there and they're just so shimmery. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And here's a little clip of the earrings all finished up. These are super pretty as well, really gorgeous and sparkly. I'll be sure to link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. Like I said, I have 10% off for the pigments and the resin. So yeah, be sure to check out the description box if you guys want to get any of these supplies that I used in this video. And I also made a coaster using the same technique a while back. I will link that video down below in the description box and leave it at the end card screen of this video if you want to check it out. You could make these in a smaller size and make a set of coasters if you wanted to. And here's how it looks on the stand. Really super pretty as well. It was it was dark when I filmed this, so it wasn't as sparkly, but it's still super pretty. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye!